Sir, I thank you for giving me this opportunity. All of us know that the agriculture sector is the biggest contributor to the Indian economy. Yet each passing day sees our farmers in misery and plight. Sometimes the farmer community thinks whether it is a blessing or a curse to be a farmer in India. Sir, every year our country witnesses flood, super cyclone, and drought, putting the farmer community in great danger. Yet, when it comes to the farmer's benefit, we are far away and far beyond behind the target. Each passing day sees the agricultural land of our country diminishing. Farmers are caught between the weather god and the money lenders. They have been harassed by the money lenders. The government does not support them in getting the minimum support price. The FCI does not buy their food grains. There is distress sale of food grains in different parts of the country. They do not get compensation for losses they suffer due to cyclone and flood. The recent hailstorm and rain has really damaged farmers' backbone and has really put them in great misery. If I am correct, the government agencies have said that the suicide rate of the farmers has dropped this year. Since the agricultural minister comes from a farming background, and I also come from a farming background, I think he should be sympathetic and he should be honest on what he is going to deliver to the farmers. The union budget presented this year shows that there is a decline in the allocation to the agricultural sector. I would like the minister to justify as to why there is a decline in the allocation, why there is a cut in expenditure in the agricultural sector. Sir, for the compensation that the farmers want for damaged crop, they have to run around like anything. The total crop insurance is a big scam in our country. The farmers have to fight between the tots, the hensmen, but only selected people get the compensation after running from pillar to post. When they are frustrated, they are pushed to the wall and they have nothing to do but to commit suicide. Sir, I take the example of Odisha, which has a history of flood, drought, and super cyclones. The last two super cyclones damaged the backbone of farmers who were not given compensation even after many months.